how to maximize your home's value before selling in 2025. Are you thinking about selling your home in 2025? Want to get top dollar for your property? Of course, everyone do that. Before you list your home for sale, there are key upgrades and strategies that can increase its value, attract the right buyers. In this video, I am going to break down how to maximize your home's value before selling in 2025 so you can sell faster and for the best possible price. Plus, stay till the end for my expert tip that could add thousands of dollars to your home values. So let's get started. So they say you never get a second chance to make a first impression. That is so true in real estate, and that couldn't be truer in home selling. Your home's curb appeal can make or break a buyer's first impression. I have seen it thousands of times. So what you want to do is want to have fresh paints and clean exterior. A fresh coat of paint on the front door and exterior can make your home look brand new. Number 2, landscape upgrades. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars. You want to trim your bushes, plant fresh flowers, and keep the lawn green and lush and neat. Don't put any toys out there. Take it out. Number 3, power wash everything. The worst thing that can happen is for a buyer to come in and see mold on your siding, on your driveway, or your sidewalks. Even the exterior of the house can look years younger with a good power wash. You want to do that. Number 4, upgrade your outdoor lighting. A well-lit home feels warm and inviting, especially for evening showing. You want to buy a new outside lighting. If you are going to focus on home improvement, if you have some money, you want to focus on improvement, you want to start with the kitchen and the bathroom. These are the spaces that buyers care about the most, kitchen and the bathroom. And the good news is you do not have to do a full renovation to add value. So, number 1, update your hardware and fixtures. New cabinet handles, faucets, and light fixtures can and do make a big difference. Number 2 is paint your cabinet. So instead of replacing, if you don't have the money, a modern color like white, gray, or navy can and do transform your kitchen. Paint the cabinet. Upgrade your countertop and backsplash. Quartz is trending right now, but even if you don't have money for quartz countertop, upgrade can add value. Number 4, refresh your bathrooms. Swap out old mirrors, regrout your tiles, and replace outdated vanities for a fresh, modern look. These things doesn't cost thousands. Buyers love move-in ready homes. They want turnkey move-in ready. So take care of small repairs and updates before you list your home. This can save you thousands of dollars and time and stress. You also want to fix any leak. Fix those leaks. Any leaky faucet, squeaky floors, cracked tiles can make buyer think that your home is not well maintained. First impression matter. You also want to have neutral paint colors. We have to say this several times. A fresh coat of light neutral color can make your home feel bigger, brighter, and more appealing, and buyer can see themselves in there. You also want to deep clean everything. Hire a professional cleaner to make every inch of your home shine, including carpets and windows. Declutter, and depersonalize. Buyers need to visualize themselves in your home. So please remove your family pictures, excessive decor, and neutralize it. Even your theme if you have football team, professional team, that you have it on the wall, please remove them. Today's buyers are also energy conscious, and small energy efficient upgrades can increase your home appeal and value. So you want to swap that old thermostat with a smart thermostat, something with smart features, sell faster and often for more money. And these things doesn't cost a lot of money. You also want to have LED lighting. LED lighting is energy efficient lighting, is an easy upgrade that buyers appreciate. You want to seal windows and insulation. Making your home more energy efficient can be a selling point. And you can actually get some of this package from your utility companies for energy efficient. Most buyers now are eco-conscious. So even with these upgrades, if your home is overpriced, buyers won't buy it. That is why it is critical to work with an expert who understands your market. First, you want to get a professional home evaluation, not Zillow. I can help you determine the best price based on current market trends. You really want to get this right the first time. Second thing, you want to stage your home to sell quickly. Professional stagers can help your home sell faster and often above asking price. Number 3, high quality pictures and videos. Over 90% of buyers start their home search online. So professional pictures, photos, and video tours are a must these days, So here is my expert tip. So if you want to maximize your home's value, the best investment is a pre-listing home inspection. When you do that, it helps you spot potential deal breakers before buyers do, giving you the opportunity, the upper hand to fix those things before you put it on the market, and giving you the upper hand in negotiation. So you are not thinking, if you are not thinking about what is going to happen when buyers do home inspection. So are you thinking about selling your home in 2025? Let's make sure you get top dollar for your money by calling me or texting me today for a free home valuation and personalized selling strategy. Let's connect at 301-613-2043 or follow me on Instagram, KG Your Realtor. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest real estate trend. So if you're looking to sell, let's connect. See you in the next video.